Yung matagal nang namomroblema, ubo ka ng ubo, lagi ka may sipon. Ito po, ang sipon at ubo, ang mga plema ay responde ng immune system dahil sila po ang ginagawa ng ating katawan para balutin ang mga foreign substance. But the problem is, pag sumobrang dami ang ginagawa ng ating katawan, nagkakaroon din tayo ng paghirap sa paghinga dahil kumakapal ang mucus at phlegm. So, yun po yung gusto namin maituro sa inyo. One cup lang will clear, makakatulong para linisin yung sobrang mucus at plema. Saan? Sa sinus area, sa chest, dibdib, at sa baga.
Ayan. Okay. So,
ano ba ang kailangan natin, Boss Big?
Kailangan natin ng isang basong tubig.
Isang basong tubig.
Tapos, kailangan natin ang lemon juice.
Lemon juice. Ibig sabihin, yung lemon, in-squeeze mo, juice yun. Ano ba ang meron kay lemon?
Yeah. It promotes hydration. It is a good source of vitamin C. It supports weight loss. It improves your skin quality. And it aids digestion, it freshens your breath, and it helps prevent kidney stone.
Grabe, yung lemon pala nakaka-fresh ng breath.
Yes. Number 3, honey.
Honey, pinakamagandang honey, black raw honey.
Oh, yes. Okay. Ano ba ang nagagawa niya? A good source of antioxidant.
Yes.
Raw honey contains an array of plant chemicals that act as antioxidant, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. It heals wound, phytonutrients powerhouse, help for digestive issues, and soothe sore throat.
Naku, grabe. Ganyang kadami ang properties ng nutrients ng honey. Next!
Olive oil. Olive oil contains large amount of antioxidant.
At hindi ito nagdudulot ng pagdagdag ng cholesterol. Saturated na.
Yes. Olive oil has strong anti-inflammatory properties.
Uy, nakakatanggal ng pamamaga.
Yes, and olive oil may help prevent strokes.
Aba, maganda rin sa ating cardiovascular
Dami pa.
health.
Olive oil protective against heart disease.
Oh, yun
Olive
nga.
oil is not associated with weight gain and obesity.
Yan.
Olive oil may fight Alzheimer's disease. Olive oil may reduce type 2 diabetes risk. And the antioxidant in olive oil helps anti-cancer properties.
All right. Last.
Cinnamon. It has antiviral, antibacterial,
Magaling
and
pala sa virus yan.
Contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects too. It is a probiotic. Properties may improve gut health, reduce blood sugar, lower blood sugar, and risk type 2 diabetes too. So, relieve digestive discomfort.
Sa mga maraming plema, sipon, mucus. Okay, game.
Okay.
Anong gagawin?
Sa isang basong tubig,
Isang baso. Gaano kalaki yung baso?
330 ml. Kailangan natin dyan ng kalahating lemon fruits.
Yung lemon fruit kalahati.
Kalahati nun. Pipigain dyan.
Squeeze.
Okay. At kailangan natin ng 2 tablespoon ng honey. Next, olive oil. Isang kutsaritang olive oil. Okay.
And
1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon.
1/4 teaspoon ng cinnamon.
Ayan.
Tapos,
ihalo natin.
Haluin.
Pwede siyang warm.
Pwedeng warm.
At pwede ring hot.
Oy, sarap. Kasi mas madaling ma-dilute at ma-dissolve yung honey at saka yung powder ng cinnamon kung medyo mahat. Yan ha?
Okay.
Alright.
At yan, pwede na lang inumin pagkagising sa umaga.
Alright.
So, every morning, pwede lang inumin yan for 7 days. Pwedeng ituloy-tuloy.
Yun. Kaya, kailangan malinaw. Baka kasi, sabi na ko, 7 araw na. Ako'y meron pang konting nararamdamang problema. So, hihinto na ba ako? Hindi po. Unang-una, ang good news, natural po ito.
Kasi ito yung...
Wala po siyang idudulot na masama sa katawan, lalong-lalo na, ganun lang naman karami. So, tandaan, kahit ano, pag sobra, masama.